Hey everybody, welcome. We are going to make a fun, delicious, healthy drink today with a little kick, and we're going to continue to give grace on ourselves and love on ourselves as I navigate my 53-year-old self here in Charlotte, North Carolina.
And I can add more carrots, but I'm just making enough for today. The green apple. Oh, we use another. Put that down.
Most of these ingredients you probably have in your kitchen or in your refrigerator, but we do have my veggie flakes that consist of carrots, celery, peppers, and other natural ingredients. That can be purchased at spicedwithlove.com, right here in the link. Again, it's spicedwithlove.com. I'm so excited about you all coming on this journey with me as we navigate North Carolina, as I show you my day-to-day activities, consulting with other daycare providers, because you know I've been in the field over 27 years, maybe doing a notary, and also encouraging you that you can also do it too. Or it could be real estate. I'm a realtor and a CPR instructor, but I want you to know that you all can do it also. So yes, come on, let's go on this journey. And if you're ready to get out of those dark rooms or dark places, I encourage you to do it. If you're ready to move, move. If you're ready to leave, leave.
And just remember these seasonings. All vegetables. So the Ninja Dual Mixer comes with this Auto IQ comes with 2 cups. And you go on, hit the link below, my Amazon link, and you'll be able to purchase that. So what I'm gonna do is drain the excess, but guess what? I'm definitely going to keep this, and then I'll freeze. So. Yes.
Well, I want to say welcome to my channel. My name is Lucretia, and right now I'm navigating North Carolina. We moved here not so long ago from Ohio, and I absolutely love the South. I've been in childcare for almost 3 decades, owning several childcare centers, which I absolutely like that. I loved it, educating children and working with families to see them grow. But I also cook. I love to cook. And for almost 2 decades, I've been in real estate. So I'm a realtor and investor right here in North Carolina and in Ohio. I still maintain my license there, and I still do real estate there and investing. On this channel, we'll be going through, I guess, my daily life and things that I like to do, and also educating you. And guess what? You can educate me also. I'm here to learn, I'm here to love, and I'm here to find out all about what Charlotte has to offer. And since we've been here, we've absolutely loved everything about the South. You know, I used to come to the South every year, all the way up to I was around 17, every summer. So I'm really Southern at heart. So yes, welcome to my channel. And right now we just did a video on cleaning shrimp and also cooking and seasoning. So I do have a blend. It's called Coastal Catch, and it's salt free. So it has a ton of different seasonings in it, from coriander to orange peel to parsley to green peppers. And I invite you to check down here, and if you want to purchase, go right ahead. But also come back, because we'll be doing a lot, and I want you to learn. And I want to learn from you. I'm super excited about this new normal in my 50s and absolutely loving it. This new way of being, I guess you will call it a housewife, and I love that term too. So yes, I'm here. I'm in the South. I'm a realtor, and I'm a CPR instructor. So if you need CPR or you need a notary, I'm your girl. I'm all over the place, and I want you to be too. I want you to know that you can do these things too. You can always have extra income, especially for my child care providers, because we know how it's up and it's down. But if you have real estate, or if you have something else that you love, like cooking, you can make that work for you, and you can continue to do your God's work of taking care of these kids. So let me get off of here. Again, thank you and welcome. Have a blessed day.